Hey Britt, today we've got a great studio condo looking right over this.
Let's go check it out. Just the right size kitchen for a studio condo.
Plenty of room for the king size bed.
And you've got a nice little living space off of the bedroom area.
Oh, wow, I love this balcony and the views. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one.